How to resolve attorney fee disputes in personal injury cases. Imagine you're waiting for your settlement check after a tough injury case, and suddenly, there's confusion about how much your attorney is taking. Disagreements over attorney fees can cause stress and frustration, but understanding how to handle them can make the process smoother. Most personal injury attorneys work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they get paid only if you win your case. Usually, this fee is between 30 and 40% of the total settlement or award. Sometimes, the fee is calculated before deducting expenses like court costs or expert witness fees, and other times after. These details should be clearly written in your signed agreement from the start. When a dispute pops up, the first step is to carefully review that fee agreement. Look for what was agreed upon about the percentage, costs, and how expenses are deducted. If anything is unclear or seems unfair, reach out to your attorney directly for clarification. Open communication can often resolve misunderstandings before they escalate. If talking doesn't work, many states have fee dispute resolution services through the State Bar Association. These services usually offer arbitration or mediation, which are less formal and faster than going to court. During arbitration, both sides present their case to a neutral third party who then makes a decision. Mediation involves a mediator helping both sides reach an agreement voluntarily. If these methods fail, the dispute may go to court. A judge will then decide if the attorney's fees are reasonable based on how much work was involved, the results achieved, and what other lawyers typically charge for similar cases. Courts look at whether the fees are fair and whether the attorney followed ethical rules. Attorneys have an obligation to charge reasonable fees and to clearly explain those fees to clients. They must also provide an itemized list of costs and fees if asked. In personal injury cases, attorneys often have a legal lien on your settlement, meaning they get paid first from the funds before you receive your share. This ensures they are compensated for their work. To avoid disputes, clients should carefully read and understand their fee agreement before signing. Ask questions about how fees are calculated and what costs will be deducted. Request regular updates and detailed billing statements during the case. If anything seems off, raise concerns early. For attorneys, clear communication and detailed written agreements help prevent misunderstandings. Address client questions promptly and keep them informed about costs and fees throughout the case. In the end, resolving fee disputes involves reviewing the initial agreement, trying to negotiate directly, using dispute resolution services, and, if needed, seeking a court's decision. Both sides have a responsibility to be transparent and fair, making sure the process stays ethical and respectful.